Today we're going to bring a barcode system, and this is a USB type A. It's ready to go. They give you actually samples of what it was typed in. If you guys can see that, there's different countries, different readings. This is to test the unit out because barcodes are, pretty much everywhere now these days. This system will be able to actually create your own, and with this system you can actually read your own barcode if you ever create one. This system comes with a couple of samples that you can do, different countries here. So we're going to take a look at it and see how it works. We're going to connect it to our desktop here and see if this well works. Now, one important thing, do not point this to your eyes. All right, this is important because it is a laser. Make sure you're aware of the connection. This is perfect for asset tracking. If you have a lot of computers or desktops or hardware or software that you want to track, this is one way you can do that. When I used to work in IT, I used to actually barcode a lot of the stuff, and we had to actually inventory the stuff. So everything that came in and out, you had to inventory the stuff. And this is a way better way to actually inventory. Instead of writing it down or typing it in on the machine, you can actually just scan it. So creating the labels is easy, but writing them down and collecting the data is the hardest part, but this makes it a lot easier. We're going to take a look at it and see how it works. So if you have a barcode system and we get inventory, you want to scan it in or you want to keep inventory, this is one way you can do it. You can scan the stuff, and if you guys can see it, it actually scanned the barcode. And you could continue doing it. And of course, if you do a macro to remember not to copy the same serial number, it could eliminate it. But right now, I'm just going to show you how easy it could copy the same serial number just by scanning the cold barcode, all right? And you could grab anything, pretty much, any item. Let me grab another item here. I'm going to barcode this item too. So you can scan it as a barcode, and it's very simple, if you guys can see that. So the barcode system, you can program it, it automatically picks up. It's a plug and play, but you can use it for other usage, all right? And they give you a scanning system here that you can actually test out, all right? These are different countries, different settings. You could change them, manual read mode, instructions, pretty much anything you want. You could turn off certain factory reset. If you want to do a factory reset, you can do factory reset. Different language, all you got to do is scan the actual mode that you want, right? And then the system will automatically read the mode, will translate the mode, and make it simple. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.